Hi, I'm Jody at Baby Camping. Today we're going to talk about the Lark M2. So this is a new product from Hollyland. This is their Lark M2 wireless microphone. So a quick unboxing video and a quick review and see what happens. So just open that box, see what you get inside. We're going to do some of this video on the normal iPhone and then we'll do it on the microphone afterwards. I'll take it outside, do a little noise cancelling test, etc. So let's get everything out and see what we got. Now, so far this box feels really nice and sturdy. Inside you've got 2 transmitters on 1 receiver. This is the Lightning version for the iPhone. Nice little bag. I already had this open to double check it all, so it all doesn't come in packaging like it would. We've got 2 of the wind covers, USB-C charging cable, 2 magnetic necklaces, and 2 magnetic clip-ons. So I'll have a little talk now, and then we'll go and try it on in a minute. So, nice case, indicator, USB-C for charging. Receivers are only 9 grams. We've got a 40-hour battery life. And magnetic, so put it on. Done, just like that. So it's really nice and small. I say 9 grams, little indication arrow on the back, magnetic, that'd be the same for the necklace. So if you've got no suitable places to keep, you can put this on and it will clip onto that. Right, and have that hanging there. Then obviously we've also got the clip on with wearing shirts. So pump that on there, take that off. Done. Alright, let's have a little sound test now. Okay, so we're just going to step outside. I've changed the microphone. So you can see there, it's on blue. Push it 1 time, it goes green for noise cancellation. So that's the noise cancellation off. Just gonna have a little wander down to the end of the road. It's not too far. So let's have a little chat and a little walk and talk about the fact that it only weighs 9 grams, the size of a button, 40-hour battery life, charging case, also pass through on the charging case itself, and sorry, pass through on the transmitter. So push it 1 time. There we go, let's try that with the noise cancellation. This is how far away I am. I don't really need to go much further than this. You know, it's quite handy just to have a proper walk around. Hopefully it's not that bad, it should be able to sound me good. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, back inside, so we're gonna have a little talk. I'm still hooked up to the microphone. The charging case gives you a line of lights to let you know how much charge is left. Inside, space for the 2 transmitters and the receiver. USB-C in the back to charge. Nice sturdy case. Got the little wind protectors. And they just slide over the top, just like that. And then they're on. We'll take this one off. So you get 2 of them in the pack. You get the 2 necklaces, which are nice and easy. Hook it straight over your neck. Bosh, you're done. So depends on what application you need to use it for. You can have just a magnet, clip on, or a necklace. So essentially that is what you get inside your Lark M2 case. User guides and some fun little stickers if you want to put them onto the actual receivers. So yeah, there we go. So that is the Lark M2. This is the Lightning set for iPhone. They do the combi one and they also do an Android version. So that's it for now. I might do another one later, a bit more in depth, but thank you for watching. Have a good day. Cheers.